Today we will demonstrate a short example of the terminate workflow action in Engini. Terminating a workflow refers to ending its execution, either prematurely or upon completion of its intended purpose. This action is useful when you need to stop a workflow for a specific reason. When using this action, you must choose one of the statuses: failure, fail by condition, or success. In this example, we'll fetch a single opportunity from Salesforce. After that, an if condition will be used to evaluate the stage, and the appropriate actions will be triggered based on the condition. The workflow is triggered manually, but you can also schedule it or trigger it via a webhook. This is particularly effective in this case, as we want the workflow to activate whenever an opportunity stage is updated. First, we will use getRecords to fetch a single opportunity. Next, we'll use an if condition to check whether the stage status needs analysis. You can, of course, add as many conditions as needed. If the condition is true, we'll proceed with the if yes block and send an email to the manager to inform them that an opportunity needs analysis. If the condition is false, we'll move to the if no block and terminate the workflow with the fail by condition status. It's important to note that you can also terminate a workflow with a success or failure status, depending on your requirements. Let's run the workflow and check the outcome. As you can see, the record we fetched in this case is under qualification status, which means the condition wasn't met in the if block, and the workflow proceeded to the if no flow. As a result, the workflow was terminated with the fail by condition status. If you check the history log of this workflow, you'll see that the last execution status is fail by condition. Additionally, you can add a context field to provide more details about the reason for termination, for instance, incorrect stage in this case. By using the terminate workflow action, you gain extra control over the flow of your processes. This allows you to handle exceptions efficiently and ensure that workflows are completed or halted under the right conditions. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.